Alright, class, it's now time for our shared reading lesson. Now today for our shared reading, we are going to finish with our Spring is Coming poem. I've had so much fun with this poem. I've enjoyed reading it with you all. I've enjoyed seeing your responses to it. And I can't wait to see what we do today. So what we're going to do first is we're going to begin the lesson we're going to read through our poem together. So I'll read a line and then you can read a line. And then what we're going to do is you are going to illustrate the poem. Before we get to that, we're going to read our poem. So I need everybody to repeat after me. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. The title is Spring is Coming. Alright, here we go. Spring is coming, spring is coming. How do you think I know? How do you think I know? I see a flower blooming. I know it must be so. Spring is coming, spring is coming. How do you think I know? I see a blossom on the tree. I know it must be so. Alright, great job, friends. I loved how you repeated after me and how you again exclaimed when there was an exclamation point. How you made your sentence into a question when there's a question mark, and how you just stopped when there was a period. Great job, friends. Now, today what we're going to do is I would like you, as your assignment for today, I would like you to illustrate this poem. So, for example, what I did, if you look on the back behind my picture, you see all these pretty flowers. Now, I chose to put those flowers on there because that was how I chose to illustrate the poem. Because when I heard about spring, it made me think of pretty pink flowers blooming. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to make your own illustration for this poem. So when you're making your illustration, what you need to be sure of is that your illustration matches what the poem is about. So our poem is all about spring coming, seeing flowers blooming, seeing blossoms. So how would that help you know what to draw for your illustration? Are we going to have scary monsters in our illustration? No, we're not going to have scary monsters. There's no scary monsters in our poem. We have to have pictures that match our poem and make sense. So that's what I would like you to do for your assignment today. So I would like you to go onto Seesaw, and I would like you to draw a picture. I like you to you can actually either draw it on actual paper or on Seesaw, a picture that you have created to illustrate this poem. Alright, I can't wait to see what you draw and how you decide to illustrate it. Good luck, friends, and I will see you for our next lesson.